The Complete Solution, a new socio-economic political system, authored by Premjit Serohi, translated and co-authored by Ambarish Mishra, narrated by Ambarish Mishra, dedicated to all the deep thinkers of the world who find solutions for the benefit of all. Only in cooperation we can completely enjoy life. Such cooperation is only possible in a complete and intelligently designed system. Preface. We all know that humans across the world are facing serious challenges such as rising inequality, economic instability, terrorism, environmental threats, pandemics, threat of nuclear war, violence, etc. Human life is filled with difficulties and insecurities since time immemorial. Such a plight of human existence deeply troubled me, and I set out on a quest to derive the root cause of these problems. In order to find a solution to these challenges, I made a deep study of nature, culture, and human consciousness. I keenly observed and researched the outer world and inner self both. By deep contemplation, I gained verifiable insights about the human condition and the root cause of all human struggles. The understanding gained from this research helped me create the design of a new system of human coexistence, or in other words, an alternate socio-economic political system. The adoption of the said system will ensure the availability of all intended necessities, facilities, and joys of life to all, and through this fulfillment guarantee happiness to everyone. In this system, no suffering will take birth that is created by rivalry and competition. In other words, conflicts will not take birth in the first place due to any systemic flaw. This system has been so designed that all kinds of knowledge, employment, products and amenities can be distributed among all members of society according to their wish without a struggle on their part. The fulfillment of any individual's wants will not cause inconvenience to others. This is made possible by intelligent design. Such a system will make all the denizens of earth contented and free to live a fruitful, happy life. In a just socio-economic order, every being would find space and support for satisfying their wishes in life. I discovered that fundamentally, human being is not violent. Negative wishes and obsessions take birth in a poorly designed system. The situations for human suffering are created more in an ill-designed system. So, before jumping to a final conclusion about human nature, I urge you to explore my findings on the subject of consciousness. Most of the time, we make conclusions by our experiences within the existing system and are caught up within that paradigm. I found that the ultimate reason for all suffering lies in the system that we have adopted so far. In spite of all the horrors that we come across in our day-to-day life, I found that at the root, human beings are neither good nor bad. Our primary motivation is only to seek happiness and comfort. It is the situations arising within a system which compels different types of humans to adopt variety of complex ways to fulfill their wishes. Human responds according to the system in place. In a poorly designed system, there is more fight, and in a well-designed system, there is full cooperation as a byproduct of design. In a just system, there will be an experience of security and guaranteed fulfillment of desires for everybody. The socio-economic political design of such a system and its philosophical base is presented in this book. If a study of this book evokes a positive conviction in you To the proposition that adoption of this system will generate universal happiness, then we appeal to you to spread this message to others. Your support for this cause will facilitate the attainment of the ultimate goal. This, after all, is a social endeavor, and no individual can accomplish this task alone. When all will come to know of this system, and if it is their conviction that this system can guarantee a joyous life, then we can work towards adoption of this ideal system. Only then everybody will reach the ultimate goal of their lives, which is to live an enjoyable life. I thank you from the core of my heart for selecting this book for study. It is my earnest hope that you will have found a clear solution to all major human problems after reading this book. Also, the method of attaining all kinds of happinesses would become clear to you. Once the basic design is understood by everyone, then all that remains is the adoption of the new system. Even in the current system, the extent to which an individual can understand this knowledge, to the same extent he or she can find an immediate psychological resolution and clarity in life. The complete experience of happiness would be possible only when the entire system mentioned in the book is established. Once this system is established, then no one would have to compete with others for attaining a satisfying life. The individual will not have to struggle separately for attaining pleasures and comforts. All individual wishes will be supported by the system and fulfilled smoothly. It is my hope that after reading this book, you will experience an intellectual growth by which your decision-making power would develop. You will also come to know what the meaning of this life is. You will understand what the ultimate goal of humankind is and how to attain it. I do not think you would have come across such a book until now, as this book is the outcome of a new philosophy. Most likely, this book would be first of its kind that discusses topics directly concerned with your life, the most primary motivations of life. This book will also uncover various deep secrets of life. It will break the myth that exists since time immemorial that life cannot be filled with full and complete happiness. Till now, we have been listening from all the great ones that the world is a place of suffering, that no one can be completely happy here and our true home is somewhere else where happiness resides. If you wish to be saved from suffering, then pray, worship, study scriptures, make donations, do service to people, perform chanting, meditate, attain samadhi, go to temple, church or mosque, etc. Do not become pleasure seeker, remain contented with whatever you have, serve the poor and needy, spend more time in the service of God, etc., etc. If we begin to write all of it, then a book can be made just listing these enormous number of practices for self-transformation. After reading the Complete Solution book, it will become clear that for removing suffering, war, poverty, violence, and other negativities of life, you will not have to do these individual level practices. The confusing notions will drop away and clarity about life would develop. Ultimately, the new framework will enable and facilitate a life filled with freedom, happiness, pleasure, and comfort. As the confusions begin to disappear, a surge of hope will generate within you, and even you would utter, "Enough of these sufferings. This world has not been made for us to suffer, but this magnificent creation exists for us to live a life full of happiness and satisfaction." The way to such a life has been presented in this book in an easily comprehensible way with a full explanation. A person with an average intelligence can very easily grasp it. Still, if some question remains, then you can contact me for dialogue. I will try my best to answer your questions. Your own and one amongst you, Premjit.